Did you ever see when the dog did something wrong and actually if he did it? Well, I came home today and this is the slipper. They were brand new. Just got them yesterday. And I came home and we have two dogs. And I can't decide. We weren't sure who did it. But then you get this fella over here. Harley, did you do this? What did you do to my slipper? Did you do this to my slipper? What did you do? Look. No, I didn't do anything. Look, he's shaking. Are you guilty? Did you do that to my slipper? Was it you? Come here. Did you do that? Now you have to buy me a new pair of slippers. Bad boy. Yep, I'd say he did it.